Well, howdy. I've broke down and done something very cosmopolitan in my old age. I bought the Luxe Home Bidet kit. I think it's a travel kit because it comes with this handy travel handle, so I guess you could take it to your pard's house if he don't have one of these bidets in his thunder box. But I'm going to open it up, unbox it, and see what it looks like. It comes in a nice box. Look, it looks like it's got all the parts it should have. A better toilet experience starts here. Well, ain't that good to know? The parts, whatever this is, I guess it's got everything that it should have. Well, as this proceeds, I'll have a little more on here to let you know how things go. The Luxe Bidet kit. That's what we've got here. We're doing the opening. It's a better toilet experience. It says starts right here. Got the instructions on the lid of the box. It says register your bidet online. Yes, you register it so the feds know where your bidets are at. Install your bidet. That's what we're going to do now. And then fall in love with your bidet and spread the word. And that's what we're doing here. So we'll get it installed, give it a test ride, and spread the word. Okay. We got the system installed. Now the only thing left is for a test ride, I guess. So we're saddled up, ready to give it a go. Let's see how she works. Holy! Oh! Well, like I say, that's right on target, and I think it might work. The ad said it'll change your life. It's going to change something. I recommend so far the Luxe 120 toilet bidet, a cowboy's new best friend.